What's up, YouTube? Today, I want to go over 3 of the options plays I took today. I'm going to try to get into a habit of Monday. We're going to talk some more about options. I would like for it to also be my Sunday mentorship stream that I go live with you guys, but I keep forgetting. We're slowly transitioning to that. Remind me, I go live Sundays and Wednesdays. Ask me about those options plays. Don't let me forget. Anyway, today, what I took today was I bought shares right out of the gate. I got a little tricked out on this one. Right out of the gate, I was thinking, I'm going to buy this. We're good. It's pushing up. I got my stop right here at like 72.35, and as soon as we open up, it tags out. We get down here. I'm watching on a smaller time frame. This is when I told the chat, like, as we get into this zone, like, that's where I'm watching this one right now for a re-entry. But instead of just getting its shares and taking another hit or anything like that, I wanted to give it time in case there was a breakout, but maybe it just goes kind of sideways for a little bit and then pops up. Like I talked to you guys in the stream last night, actually, I like this channel up. I think we're about to kind of break out. Now, probably this week, this line or this line is going to break. So to define my risk a little bit, I did grab a 70 and 72 options call for the April 23rd. So give it a little bit of time. It's a $2 spread. So I paid around $100 for it, so I hope to gain. You know, if it breaks out, we just continue up, I'll make 100%. I'll let that thing ride out if we continue this trend and we break up. But if I see we're up here and it starts to sell off, I'll probably manage it, lock it in for whatever profit it is right there. My next one is actually Palantir. Now, I grabbed the 24s. Let me make this a little easier for you guys. So we know it's horizontal. No need to bring that up. Where is my... There it is. Now, these next couple, my expiration is going to be April 9th, so I didn't really give it a lot of time, but I grabbed the 24 strike. Now, I did this one. These were up for a little bit. Right in this dip is where I got it. I paid about $1.50 for them, and then it popped up. I was like, all right, at least we're in the green. We came right back down. I think they're at break even or maybe like $1.49 right now. So looking for that to move. Ultimately, now this is actually something I'm just naked in. For $150, I only grabbed a few of them. You know, probably won't be worth much actually if this breaks. So that my risk as far as that goes, my risk is defined by just how much that particular contract costed. Yeah, if they do go to zero, it'll suck. It'll be a ticker I don't want. It'll be a hit I don't want to take. I mean, who wants to lose anyway? So I'll try my best to manage it, but they're likely just going to be worthless if it gets below here. Worthless as in I don't want to add on. There might be some salvage value. There's still time for it to actually turn around and be green, so I might just let those ride out. I ride that one out. But if it's green, I don't like watching trades go from green to red, so I will have my stop loss in the green, and I will trail it. Once we leave this zone, hopefully I can put my stop loss, you know, I'll put it close to break even, right around where I think would be a good spot that we're not going to tag out. A little bit trickier with options because of decay and things running up and running down. That, you know, without the nitrous being hit, things were already emotional enough. But I would like to take advantage of that move up to at least that $30 mark. But still very bullish on this. Last but not least, I just couldn't ignore it. So Tesla, rocking day, gapped up, we go, we stay inside this range, we get to the top right here, we tag that, and then it sells off. And now I was fine. I was fine with my Tesla spread. It was red. It's pushing back up. Oh, it's red again, but I was like, you know what? I'll stick to this. I'm gonna ride it out. This is the play I was looking for. I don't really want any red candles to show up. And then that red candle showed up. Just that one, right at the end. Now, that had manipulation written all over it. I think there was even something from Elon tweeting a couple days ago that he's going to push back the release of the full autonomy. And he tweeted that a few days ago. There was a new article that came out right as that happened, talking about it and really just saying, like, the way they worded it was, it's never coming out, you know, like, we're back to the drawing board. So I don't know if that manipulation is what caused this to the downside, but that had manipulation written all over it. Maybe people were just scared, wanted to lock it in. That's what it was. Obviously, there's more sellers than buyers because, well, the red candle's bigger than the green. And the fact that it's red tells me there's sellers. So I don't want to get mixed up and caught up in the why. But this one I did grab, the 670, right here at the end of the day. I got in right at the end. And I think I paid a little bit, well, I only bought one. I paid $42.50 for it. I think it is down. It's like 41 right now. But I want to see if we can actually stay in this range, if not get above. Again, a naked contract that I will manage tomorrow. This is also April 9th. So here's my expiration right here. I grabbed 670s. I paid $42 for it. So I need this thing up to 7. I paid 42. I should know it's 412, 712, sorry. 712. So I need this right here. Now that's to break even. So anything above that, if it's at 713, it'd be worth $1, 714, $2, so on and so forth. So that's kind of like my break even right there. Now Tesla can cover that ground pretty easy. I only grabbed one. I thought it would be, this is probably a decent play that I might even grab another one and maybe trade that intraday. I like this play. Unless we just gap down and we break this zone and it's that game again. But I want to say I'm bullish tomorrow. Cautiously bullish. I left a lot of money on the table today. I was super relaxed today. I want to take it easy. I didn't want to get thrown around. So today was a very good day. Don't get me wrong. I had an awesome day in Facebook. If you were in Facebook, man, you were rolling. It just dropped down, tagged that zone. We got some antitrust news, which if you were live with me last night, I literally said antitrust will get the dip. I thought antitrust would drop us down here. We turned right back around. So anyway, I grabbed some naked contracts on Facebook. I was trailing those. I had my stop again right here. As soon as it broke that, it was 296.85. Obviously that tagged out, so I did not get back in. But that's going to be, as long as we continue up with that one, that's a pretty easy trade. If I'm going to get in this, I'd still stop out. My stop right here would be 284.45 on that one. And let's just check tech out real quick. As of right now, that was the tech sell-off. We kind of confirmed on top of that zone. I want to see some green candles in the morning. So keep an eye on that. I would rather just worry again. Let's just worry about this top yellow zone. Let's see if we can't get all up there, if not above. But the market has done this for the past couple weeks now. We know the green candles are coming on Monday. They don't call it turnaround Tuesday for nothing. It's usually followed by some red. But the way we sold off at the end of the day today kind of gave off the manipulation vibe, and tomorrow's going to be green. So I'm actually more worried about Wednesday. I kept my position small because if we're green tomorrow, I'm really worried as to what's going to happen Wednesday. Let's say we're green 2 days in a row. Now, we might just keep rocking and rolling. We might just make this move up again. 5 green days with some indecisive stuff here in the middle or overnight. But let's say we're green. We're green today. We're green tomorrow. Wednesday, are we pulling back or are we pulling back? Are they going to throw in some bonds there with us? We're going to sprinkle a little something else on there and really drop that thing down and drop everyone's confidence again? Or is it maybe a sideways inside day, maybe a little bit of red, no panic, no muss, no fuss, we just buy the dip? So that's why ultimately right now I'm worried about Wednesday. So again, I'll keep it short and sweet, to the point. Everything down below is in the description, just like all the other YouTubers. I got a course. I'm live every night for my mentorship. You know the works. I'm terrible at selling myself. But you guys will see me live Wednesday. You will see me tomorrow for Tesla Tuesday, and I will see you there.